You should think about getting a domestic contract if you're starting a serious romantic relationship. In this video, I'm going to share 5 simple reasons why you need a domestic contract. I'll be honest with you, after helping many people through divorce and separation, I've seen the same thing happen again and again. The cases that turn into long, stressful, and expensive battles are usually the ones without a domestic contract. My name is Fernando Arteaga. I'm a lawyer and I've handled many complex cases in courts across Alberta. But before we get into the 5 reasons, let's quickly talk about what a domestic contract actually is. A domestic contract is a formal document that has one main purpose: to make sure that if a relationship ends, the outcome is clear and predictable. There are 3 types of domestic contracts: cohabitation agreement, prenuptial agreement, and separation agreement. These contracts cover things like how you will divide your property, whether anyone will pay support, and if you have kids, how child support and special expenses will work. Here are the 5 reasons why you need a domestic contract. It protects the agreement you made with your former spouse or partner, even if they change their mind later. A domestic contract explains what each person must do after the relationship ends. It helps prevent confusion and arguments in the future. People can change over time, and you don't want a simple misunderstanding to turn into a big problem later. You need to know that the agreement you both made will stay the same, even if the other person's life or feelings change. Someone who seems kind and cooperative today may not feel the same 6 months after the breakup. A domestic contract protects you from those changes. It helps you to stay out of court. A well-written domestic contract can save you time, money, and stress by helping you avoid going to court. There is always a chance that the other person may not follow the agreement you both made and may try to get more from you later. They may even try to take you to court anyway, but with a strong domestic contract, it acts like a shield. If it's drafted properly, it can protect you from unfair claims. It may even allow you to ask the court to make the other person to pay for your legal costs if they bring a claim that has no real basis. When someone sees that you have a clear written agreement and they could be responsible for your legal fees, it can discourage even the boldest former partners and their lawyers from starting a fight. It protects your assets. Without a domestic contract, your future partner may be able to make a claim on the property you own before you even started dating them. It does not matter if you worked hard to build your assets and they did not help. It also does not matter if they did not contribute to the growth or value of those assets during the relationship. Even if you kept your things separate and did not mix your assets, a former partner may still try to make financial claims later. A domestic contract helps shut the door on these unexpected claims. Do not leave yourself open to this risk. A domestic contract can help protect what you have earned and prevent you from losing money in the future. It formalizes child and spousal support. A domestic agreement clearly sets out support amounts, timelines, and how payments will be made. This helps prevent misunderstandings in the future. You can explain in the document when child support must be paid, how much it will be paid, and which special expenses will be covered. You can also decide how and when those expenses will be paid. A domestic agreement helps protect you from unexpected responsibilities. It closes the door to those risks. Banks and lenders often ask for a domestic agreement before they approve a mortgage. Most lenders want you to have one before buying a home. They need to know that all your responsibilities like spousal support or child support are considered when they decide if you qualify for a mortgage. Lenders usually require that your domestic agreement is valid, properly signed, and that both people receive independent legal advice from a lawyer. You do not want to rush to get a domestic agreement weeks before your home purchase closes. If you're planning to buy a home, it is best to take care of this now. If your relationship is changing, whether you're getting more serious, moving in together, getting married, separating, or getting divorced, a well-written domestic agreement can give you clarity, protection, and stability as you move forward. If you need guidance, our team at Arteaga Legal Group is here to help.